Today, I'm doing unconventional smoked and fried chicken wings.
Smoking to the sommelier-ish. Ukulele, ukulele J.
Now we're going to smoke our chicken wings using a smoking gun. Here comes the smoke, baby. There we go. Mesquite smoke, 100% wood. Just like in a smoker, absolutely no different, except more smoke. There we go. Nice smoked chicken wings. Gonna let those sit in here for about 15-20 minutes. Get our initial smoke on. Okay, we've done smoked our chicken wings for about 15 minutes. I'll let it out of the bag. And you can see there's just a little tiny puff of smoke. Oh, that smells so good, man. So we're gonna take out our chicken wings and we're gonna dry them off. And then we're gonna get ready to coat them with some baking powder, a little seasoning, and some salt. And then we're gonna throw them in the air fryer. Take them out. We're going to do two kinds. We're going to do buffalo wing, hot sauce buffalo wings. We're going to do some tangy cane and maple buffalo wings. Next, we're going to take some baking powder, salt, pepper, and add just a dusting of Cosmo Sturdy Burke. I mean, just a tiny, tiny bit. It's really strong. I don't want to overpower it because we're going to use the cane and maple syrup to get that tanginess and the sweetness when we're done. So we're going to take this, put it in the bag, and we're going to toss it around. Seal up the bag, and give it a good shaking. Take it out, put it in the rack, put it back in the fridge for about 15 minutes. So we're making the wing sauce. I'm going to use some butter on here for the amount of wings that I have. And it's a good amount of butter, probably 2.5 tablespoons. Put that in there. We're going to melt it down. Use salted butter, one of the best, Uber. Get the stove on and get this melted down. Okay, here comes the sauce. Now what's great is after we're done here, about 5 minutes, just let things simmer with the butter, mixing it together. Got a nice, creamy, thick sauce there. Really nice. Not so watery. Nice viscosity. You know it's going to stick to the wings really good. So here we go. We're ready for our spicy and sweet sauce. It's our tangy cane and maple syrup. Got to use Dr. Bill's cane and maple syrup, right out of New Orleans, Louisiana. Absolutely fantastic. We got our butter ready to go, melted down. We have our habanero salt. This is homemade habanero salt my buddy did for me. I use my gloves because if you touch this and then touch your face, your hands, you're going to know it really quick. So I use my gloves for the salt. Any type of hot pepper, I never use my raw hand. And we're going to use, watch this, just a little, let's see, here you go, a little bit. That's about it. That's going to be really all you need. And then we're going to get our cane of maple syrup. I'm going to go to town on this. This is the good stuff right here. Look at that magic. Oh, look at that. You use plenty of it. Don't be shy. Now we're gonna get that stirred up really good. Have to give it the taste test. Gotta get that maple syrup. Can't lose any drops of that. I'm gonna let this go. We're gonna heat it up for 20 seconds on 7 in the microwave. We'll be back. Okay, after our 20 seconds on power level 7, we've got our cane maple syrup and our butter out here. I'm just gonna mix together. We want to heat up the syrup and the butter. You can see how it's getting thick. It's starting to thicken up. See that? It's all getting together. Looking delicious. If you don't heat it up like that, you're not going to get that blended together. So you want to make sure you heat it up. Not too hot because you don't want to burn anything. But this is looking mighty fine. You can use a little bit more butter, but I don't think you need to. This is really nice viscosity. Not too watery, but not too super thick. And I think we're going to be ready to go. Okay, here we go for a little taste. And this is my final taste, so I will not put this back in when I'm done. Okay. I can taste a little bit of heat coming on. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more. Not too hot, but I like a little kick. Little kick in the tushy. There we go. There's the kick. Let me wash my utensil and I'll be right back. Okay, after the microwave, it's going to be hot. It's going to be a little less thick, so you're going to let it cool down. I'm going to add our final touch here. A little bit of fresh ground pepper. Not a lot, just a little bit. Add it with that habanero salt. Nice heat to it. And that really, really good sweet Dr. Bill's cane maple syrup. It's going to go together fantastic. Now we want to heat our air fryer to 360 degrees. We want to line our drumsticks up in the air like this. One falls over, not a big deal, but you don't want them touching or overlapping. So we're going to take this and stick it in the air fryer. This is the kasori. We've got it going at 360 degrees for 22 minutes. We're actually going to do it for 12. We're then going to stop it. We're going to flip everything and we're going to do it for another 12. I had this actually going for a couple minutes before I pulled out to do the video. Okay, we're at the 12-minute mark. Now let's take a look here. Oh, they're getting a little bit golden brown. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and flip them. Go another 12 minutes. There we go. Kosare. Whoa. We're done. A ukulele J vocal for you. Okay, we're now at the point we're going to raise our temperature to 390 degrees. We're going to flip it for 6 minutes. Let's see how they look. Oh, look at that. They are getting scrumptious. Okay, here we go. Oh, look how crispy this one's getting. Wow, that's really impressive. There we go. 390 for 6 minutes. Leading off that moisture, that's what we want to see. Nice crispy wings coming. Here we go, let's check it out. Ho ho ho! Unreal. Those are some serious crispy chicken wings. They are definitely crispy. You can hear them. Hear them sizzling? I don't know if you can hear them sizzling. Okay, let's get these in here. Wow, I mean, this is fantastic. like out of a fryer. It is out of a fryer, out of an air fryer. So what we're gonna do next is, you notice we smoked our wings before, but we're gonna do a little smoking after. Here we go. All right, we're gonna smoke our wings. Here we go. Here comes the smoke, da 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 da. Here comes the smoke, and I say, it's all right. Gonna do a little smoke here, just for a few minutes. Gonna get that nice mesquite chicken taste. Come on, baby, light my fire. That's what you call smoking a bowl, folks. Okay, now we're gonna let it sit for just a minute here. And this smoke is getting absorbed by those wings by the second. That is smoked chicken, folks. Back to the sauce. All right, here we go with the sauce. Anticipation. If you have extra sauce, leftovers. These babies coated really good. Start our plating. Next, we're going for the sweet and spicy. Here we go with the sweet and spicy. Got that habanero salt, Dr. Bill's cane and maple syrup. Looking mighty good. Here we go. Fantastic. Okay, here we go with our lovely wings. I'm going to try here. I think we'll start with one of the buffaloes. Wow, that's really good. Definitely a crispy skin. Really, really good. Nice heat on the buffalo. And let's go and take a taste of our sweet and spicy Dr. Bill's cane and maple syrup wing. Let's see what that's like. Completely different profile, of course. Really sweet, savory. A little bit of heat on the habanero on the back end from the habanero salt. And I think this was definitely a wild success. I'll be definitely adding this to the repertoire for some fried chicken wings. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got to check it out. Get yourself an air fryer and cook up some great fried wings. Thanks for watching.
Girl, we couldn't get much higher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on